In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop websites from requesting access to USB devices in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Now, on the right side of the screen, look for Site Settings and open it. Scroll down a bit until you see Additional Permissions, then click to expand it. Inside that section, find and select USB devices. Here, you'll see an option that controls whether websites can request access to connected USB devices. Simply switch this setting off to block sites from asking for USB access. Once disabled, websites won't be able to connect to or request permission for USB devices anymore. And that's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take better control of your browser settings. Be sure to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.